You want to cut that open?
Can you tell I'm talking right now?
Yeah, I can tell.
Okay, here we go. Cut this right here.
That's not.
There we go. There we go.
You put it on beast mode?
I like to keep the battery between my legs so when it does kick, it just kicks against my leg, no big deal.
Whoa.
We got. Let's see what we got. Wow, I can't believe I did that without running that rubber.
You can see
Okay,
all that.
so there's my metal shavings from cutting it.
But you can see the black in there too.
Look in there, you can see the white tank.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see that in there?
Mm-hmm. Let's go to the...
Yeah, let's come over there.
Oh, careful.
But let me show you what a new one is supposed to be doing. It's the same. This is the same tank. This is Ferguson's brand, ProFlow. But they're all the same concept here. You got your Schrader valve up top. You got your air valve up top that you pump up. And that fills the balloon.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And when the balloon is completely inflated, it's actually the lower diaphragm part of it is actually trying to push itself.
Oh, okay.
Out of it.
Okay.
Now this white part here. So water is designed to be in this portion there that has this white lining, epoxy lining or glass lining, whatever their proprietary lining is. This area is designed to actually receive a little bit of that water. This shows it perfect. So this part of the balloon, this is a two-piece balloon, if you will. This part of the tank is non-epoxy lined. You see the rust?
No, get your hand out of the way.
Get your hand.
Yep.
Okay, water is never designed to be in that area.
So that it's rusting, we know water's going behind that.
Yeah, water. Yeah, if the balloon were to pop anywhere, if the diaphragm were to pop, which this one did, and water got into this portion, and if this rubber lining here decided to crack, water could get up in here, and you'll get a lot of rust. A lot of times, the next thing to deteriorate for this customer would have been this portion of the bladder right here.
Oh, okay.
But the fact that we cut this open in the diaphragm part of the bladder, the part that separates the portion of where water's supposed to be in this tank and where water's not supposed to be in this tank, that diaphragm piece of rubber is completely gone. It's completely deteriorated, completely gone.
Cool.
That's what's been eroding away and getting into the customer's aerators and fixtures and clogging everything up. This portion, let me see if I can see any signs of this starting to go or not. Sometimes you can rub your finger in here and it'll be black. See that black? Mm-hmm. It's already going. It's deteriorating. This is what's happening here. And it's causing a lot of this to get back into the customer's water supply too.
Yeah.
So they're on a city system, so chlorine.
The chlorine's eating away at the bladder?
The chlorine is what breaks down the rubber and allowed it to pop in the first place. And once it was popped, it just started running away from the chlorine.